Hello everybody, and welcome to the first ever video on my YouTube channel, The Online Sociologist. In this video, I want to talk a little bit about myself, why I created this channel, and what types of things you will see on it. So, hi, my name is Ryan, and I'm a sociology teacher with over 10 years of experience. Every semester when teaching my course, I always get numerous students asking me within the first week of the course, what is sociology? So the purpose of this channel is to not only learn more about what sociology is, including its most foundational concepts, theories, and theorists, but how it can be utilized in our daily lives. So on the one hand, this channel is designed for students who are currently in sociology classes and want to delve deeper into what they are learning in the class. However, on the other hand, this channel is meant for those who are not taking a sociology class but still want to learn more about what sociology is and how it can be applied to their everyday lives. Sociology's application to the larger world and our place in it is what I love so much about the subject. Through the utilization of concepts, theories, and methods, budding sociologists can analyze why the world is the way it is, how it got to be this way, and how it impacts different groups in different ways, and also how that world might end up. In other words, the learning and application of sociology works to pull back the veil of our social world, allowing us to look at it in terms of relationships, networks, institutions, power relations, and larger systems. The astrophysicist Carl Sagan is famous for noting that the cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself. Now the same is true for sociology in its deeper meaning. Society as a whole is within us. It emerges and is shaped by historical human relationship, and it's those relationships that impact our behaviors. However, because society is within us, by studying it, we are not only able to develop a better way to understand society, but our true selves, and cultivate the imagination and processes to change it for the better. On a final note, this channel isn't just for students of sociology, but also for myself. It allows me to become more reflexive, not only in terms of how I understand and interpret sociological knowledge that I'll be talking about, but also how I communicate it to others and how it is received. To push this point forward a bit, the development of this channel and the content on it not only encourages me to deepen my understanding and love for sociology, but pressures me to find new and innovative ways to adapt its lessons through a new medium, which is social media, and those utilizing it. That means if I'm doing it right, this channel will evolve on everything from how I'm applying concepts and theories to the equipment I'm using to filming it, set pieces I'm using, camera angles, editing styles, presentation styles, branding and marketing, and much more. Therefore, I hope that you will join me on this journey to not only expand this sociological knowledge, but cultivate a sociological worldview that will help us succeed not only in the classroom, but in transforming the larger world. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.